to the Emperor card. But before we get into that, I just wanted to say, you know, most tarot readers or many tarot readers that you find online, they simply use the standardized, generally accepted meanings for each card, which are found in books and online and whatnot. But the difference between a tarot reader and somebody who's just reading it out of a book is that the purpose of the tarot cards or tarot reading is that the imagery on the card is designed to spark the intuition of the reader to determine what that reader believes that card to mean while taking into account, again, the purpose of the reading and the intent of the person being read, who's provided some level of information about what they want being read. Is this a love reading? Is this a money reading? What kind of reading is this? What are you looking to do? Is important and necessary. And the position of that card in the spread makes a difference and can completely change the generally accepted meaning of a card. So these tips are out there that I'm going to provide for you now are general and generally accepted, but they lack the depth that a true tarot reading can provide. So we'll go over that now. Sense, stability, structure, protection, authority, focus. The Emperor has heavy Aries energy. He also represents being a strategic thinker who lays out plans that he has to see through. He is a signal of masculine principles, the paternal figure who created rules and imparts knowledge. When you have this card in a reading, it could signal you may have an important role in an upcoming project where you need to embody the wisdom of this card to bring clarity and organization to the project. And again, this is only one sort of example of this card. But in love, this card can signify the bringing of common sense and logic into a relationship. Relationships around this card can be seen as traditional and perhaps stifling if not handled the right way. As a person, this card can be a symbol of someone older and well established in their life. This person may also have a hard time expressing or showing their own emotions and feelings. So there you have it, the deep dive on the Emperor card. So if you want to experience my intuition and my version of the cards, order a reading with me, go to my website in the link below. I've been doing this for 6 years now and am very much passionate about reading the cards intuitively and have a very unique way of approaching my individual readings. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this.